Waterfalls is this unreal experience. We take all the volunteers right from Phang Bien all the way down to 4,000 Islands, which is on the border of Cambodia. And it is a bit of an epic journey. So the first day, we are just cruising along this huge lake. We find whatever island takes our fancy for the night and we set up camp there. Vaughn, who is our amazing local guide, cooks for us, and it's all fresh fish and barbecue, and it's unreal.
I would like to say welcome all volunteer and foreigners come to Laos PDR. So we are a very beautiful country and very enjoy with the Lao food and enjoy with local people. Wow! Welcome to Nata village, the homestay. Almost now we go to Blue Lagoon at Gong Lo Cave. This is Blue Lagoon. The cave, Gong Lo Cave, this cave is a big cave and we can take the boat inside 7.5 kilometers. And important the village we stay at, we call homestay.
You are allocated into a local person's house and they take you in, they basically adopt you for the night, they cook for you, you get to play with the kids, there's a lot of puppies running around, a lot of food, a bit of lao lao as well. It's an awesome experience.
Trying to do as much as you can nowadays. Right now we're enjoying our homestay, which is incredible. They've got to cook us a massive sticky rice veggie meal and pour us some lao lao, which I'm sure you get to know if you come along.
The food in Laos here, like a lot of people, we like it very much, and foreigners also they like it very much. So it's very interesting for foreigners. Sticky rice like a number one. Breakfast, lunch and dinner almost we have sticky rice. And also the foreigners learn how to cook Lao food. I like to show my customer to see how local people catch the fish.
We're meant to start the Basel ceremony. Basel or whatever. And it's about like wishing away the bad spirits.
On river in this village, and also he wish you for have good luck, have long life, and go by safety.
Experience before like this?
No, like this.
Like this.
No, like this.
This is a very good car in countryside.
Gong Lo Cave is definitely the 8th wonder of the world. It's beautiful, it's a real surprise, and the Blue Lagoon where we swim and we spend the day is the most relaxing afternoon you're ever going to have.
I will show you about the culture of Laos, and will show you the local people, what they work, what they are doing, as they show like a local food. So I can show you and let you enjoy in Laos here.
it's really kind of off the beaten track for a lot of backpackers, but there is so much that we dig into in this extra extension because Laos really doesn't get its fair dues in the backpacker world. Here they have a saying, Lao PDR stands for please do not rush, and you can really feel that every day. Even though we move really quickly, it's infused with a sense of calm and enjoying the little things, and it really gives you the time to submerge yourself in the culture here.
We say, please don't rush. Please enjoy with the Lao food, Lao culture, and hot climate in Laos.
And finally, we make it down to 4,000 Islands, which is on the border of Cambodia.
Being able to go to the village and see genuine Lao people and experience their culture was a phenomenal experience you won't find anywhere else.
Yeah, Laos is an incredible country. I've experienced so much here, but I think the group I came with really made it like a lot more special, and I made some really good connections here.
The food here was something that I've never experienced before. I never thought I would love sticky rice so much, but now I don't know how I'm going to live without it.
If you've got an interest in kayaking, you can do that. I went for a bike ride this morning, which was optional, and that was awesome. Got to see some more waterfalls, which was fantastic.
I really enjoyed my time in Laos. Waterfalls were amazing. Got to see river dolphins, one of the rarest dolphins in the world, and look at that. Just look at that, you can't say no to that.
Well, we've had so many experiences here in Laos, in the south of Laos. We've had so much fun in the Mekong. We've done a lot of kayaking, had a swim in the Mekong, saw some river dolphins. Went through rapids. It was just amazing.
I'll never forget devouring watermelon after watermelon in the village with the beautiful sunset panorama over the mountains and the fields stretching out green and lush. It was amazing.
Laos has been absolutely amazing, but the thing that's been most great is all the little stories that the tour guides have been telling us about Konglot Cave and the villages and all the little Von stories on the bus. Excellent. Absolutely.
One of the highlights of the trip for me was staying in a homestay with my closest mates, with people that don't speak any English at all, not even one word, and they're making us drink this whiskey they call Lao.
Just like full thumb moves.
My favourite part was experiencing a whole new culture and just seeing, you know, the country for what it is. It's absolutely gorgeous, and being with such amazing people.
So it's our last day and we've come here to this ancient temple and I've had an amazing time.
It's been an amazing trip. This whole experience has been so wonderful. We're all heading home tomorrow and visiting this temple was a perfect way to finish it off.
Best in the back there.
Hi everyone.